Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to write police verification letter in an easy language for students. So let's begin. First of all, you have to start with to the station house officer SHO, police station name, address of police station, subject request for police verification. Respected sir, madam. Main body of the letter. I, your name, residing at your address, hereby request you to kindly conduct a police verification for me as required. For mentioned reasons, example job or passport, etc. My details are as follows. Your full name, your date of birth, contact number and address. Other details. I kindly request you to expedite the verification process at your earliest convenience. Thank you for your assistance. Sincerely, your name, your signature, date. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.